Welcome to a definitive review of a true Australian classic, the 1975 Holden Gemini TX. Before us, resplendent in glacier white and set against the clean backdrop of a minimalist showroom, is the car that brilliantly answered the call for efficient, affordable motoring, a rebadged Isuzu that became a national sensation. Let's begin a thorough examination, starting with its most flattering angle. From the front three-quarter perspective, the Gemini's design philosophy is immediately clear. It's a masterclass in balanced, practical styling. The Glacier White paintwork shines under the professional studio lights, highlighting the harmonious blend of a rounded profile and that distinctive angular front end, punctuated by its signature round headlights. Moving directly to the frontal aspect, we're met with a face of pure, uncomplicated purpose. The twin circular headlamps, set within their black housings, flank a simple black grille, while the period-correct white 1975 number plate anchors the center of the bumper, a design devoid of pretense. To fully appreciate its classic three-box silhouette, we examine the driver's side profile. A clean, sharp character line runs the length of the doors, emphasizing its tidy proportions. The practical chrome fuel filler cap is positioned on the left rear quarter panel, a detail confirming this as the driver's side, while the 13-inch steel wheels with basic hubcaps underscore its economical ethos. From the rear three-quarter view, the Gemini continues to impress with its neat, no-nonsense styling. The lines flow cleanly over the rear wheel arch to the compact boot lid, with the white QLD000 license plate mounted on the left side of the bumper. Shifting to a direct rear view, the design remains steadfastly functional. The presentation is centered on simple rectangular tail light clusters, a modest chrome bumper, and the proud Holden badge above the number plate. To understand its spatial footprint, an elevated plan view shows the car positioned within the vast, white expanse of the showroom, its compact dimensions clearly defined against the light concrete floor. Now, we transition to the interior, beginning from the driver's seat. The view ahead is one of beautiful simplicity. The dashboard is a plain expanse of black vinyl, home to a straightforward instrument cluster with clear, analog dials, and the iconic three-spoke steering wheel that feels both thin and direct in hand. From the vantage point of the rear passenger seat, we gain a true appreciation for the cabin's airy feel. The full-width bench seat, upholstered in the era's distinctive mid-brown velour, offers a surprising sense of space, with the floor-mounted gear shifter and simple dashboard completing a genuinely honest environment. A closer inspection of the steering wheel reveals its detailed construction: the hard plastic rim, the textured grip, and the central Holden emblem, all symbols of its time. Lifting the bonnet reveals the mechanical heart of this classic, the renowned 1.6-liter SOHC inline-4 Isuzu engine. The engine bay is orderly and accessible, dominated by the carburetor and air cleaner assembly, representing an era of straightforward, owner-friendly mechanics. Zooming in on the rolling stock, a detailed shot of the front left wheel showcases the 13-inch steel rim, its simple hubcap, and the front disc brake caliper, with the period-specific tire profile clearly visible. Focusing on design details, a macro shot captures one of the iconic round headlights. The glass lens and its chrome surround perfectly catch the studio lighting, turning a functional component into a small piece of jewelry. At the rear, a corresponding close-up of the tail light cluster highlights its simple red lens and chrome bezel. For a more evocative shot, we peer through the front grille and across the windscreen into the warm, brown-hued cabin, creating a layered connection between the car's external identity and its internal sanctuary. Outside once more, we see the driver's door swung fully open, an invitation to step inside. This angle showcases the generous door aperture and the straightforward construction of the door itself. A tighter shot of the open door frame focuses on the interior trim. The black vinyl door card contrasted with the brown fabric insert and practical pull handle. For the engineering-minded, a low-angle view exposes part of the Gemini's undercarriage, hinting at the robust live axle rear suspension and exhaust routing that underpinned its reliable drive. Inside again, an intimate detail shot finds a simple metal key inserted into the ignition barrel, poised to breathe life into the classic inline-4. Moving to the seats, an extreme close-up reveals the intricate, textured pattern of the mid-brown velour fabric, a durable, tactile material that is instantly evocative of the 1970s. Finally, we pull back to a wide, establishing shot of the entire showroom. The Glacier White Holden Gemini TX sits in serene isolation, a pristine symbol of intelligent, affordable, and dependable transportation. More than just a rebadged import, it was Holden's perfectly timed and expertly executed answer to a changing world, a car that earned its massive popularity and forever secured its place in the heart of a nation's motoring story.